try to reach you, but you close your mind.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a spring/Easter Bath & Body Works haul, which I'm so excited for because I haven't done one of these in a really long time. I actually haven't bought anything from Bath & Body Works in quite some time because I had a lot left over from the holidays, but the springtime is my favorite time to shop for Bath & Body Works besides like the fall, obviously, but I love the spring designs on all the candles and things, and they're just super cute, right up my alley, really girly and pastel colored. So I found so many things that I liked that I wanted to share with you guys. I absolutely love watching these, so I thought I would do a haul for you guys as well to enjoy. So if you guys are new here, my name's Selah. I am a Michigan-based blogger and YouTuber. I do travel videos and lifestyle vlogs and hauls, a little bit of everything. So if you guys would like to be a part of the family, please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you guys. And don't forget to hit the bell so that you never miss a notification. I post every single week on Tuesdays at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And yeah, let's just jump right into the video. I have a lot of goodies to share with you guys. I got a lot of stuff. So we're gonna start with the candles because that's the most exciting part in my opinion. So first and foremost, I got Sunset in Maui, which is this gorgeous candle. It has like a little sunset on it, really cute with like the yellow and red. And this one was actually one of my favorites. It smells very pineapple-y. Is that a word? Pineapple-y? The notes in this are sun-kissed papaya, hibiscus flowers, and bright pineapple. So I was right. I definitely do smell the pineapple. This smells very summery as well, so you can actually use this in the spring or summer or whenever you please, but I feel like this would be a great like kitchen candle, and it's stunning. I love this one. Also, I'm so excited that it's been super warm here in Michigan, so it really got me in the mood to shop for some spring candles. I haven't really decorated for spring or Easter in my apartment just because we are moving soon, so I didn't feel the need to like pull out all my stuff when I'm just gonna be like, my apartment's a mess, actually, so the next video that you guys will see after this is like a spring reset because my apartment needs it. So, but anyways, I was inspired to get some spring scents for the apartment because they were just too cute to pass up. So next I got Bali Rainforest. So I got the Maui Sunset and the Bali Rainforest because I've been to both places and they hold a special place in my heart. So I figured I would get places or get candles that remind me of special places that I've been. This one is also stunning. It's got like this really cool design that really reminds me of all the tiles in Indonesia and Bali. So the scents of this are citrus, tropical pineapple, and fresh star fruit. So this again smells very summery, very fresh. It almost smells like a tropical sucker, like a tropical smoothie. This smells really, really good. And also this one smells like a lot more fresh, kind of like linen with fruits in it. So it smells really, really good. Next, this is way too cute to pass up. I got the Happy Easter Daffodil Dreams candle. And look how stunning this is with the little flowers and butterflies. And it's got like a little bunny. I don't know if you guys can tell right there, but this one's so cute with a little mint top. I'm a sucker for the cute tops. I like refuse to throw them out when I'm burning them because they're just too cute. So this is whipped marshmallow, pastel clouds, and sweet daffodil. This smells like marshmallows. It just smells like vanilla and marshmallows, and it's really sweet, and this is a really, really pretty scent, and I absolutely, the packaging, to be completely honest, I'm such a sucker for the packaging. Even if it wasn't my favorite scent, I would still burn this because it is so cute. Bath & Body Works really slayed like all of the spring packaging this year. I love it. I always wish that they had more like pink ones though. Some years they do, some years they don't. I wish this year they had a little bit more of like the pink and lavender color ones. So next I got iced dragon fruit tea, which is this gorgeous orange color with the little hot pink purpley palm trees on them. This one smells so good. I smelled this at the store actually, so I got it online and it smells so good. This is like the epitome of a vacation scent. It smells amazing. So this is tropical dragon fruit, vibrant green tea, lemonade, and sweet coconut milk, and it smells exactly like that, and the top is stunning with the little palm leaves. This just smells so, so good. This is one of my favorites. Then I can tell I was definitely in like a sweet, like vanilla-y mood. I've never bought this scent of candle, which is crazy because this is like one of the most popular like forever and ever candles that they always sell. But this is vanilla bean. Everyone knows what vanilla bean smells like. I've just never bought the candle, but I thought just the white matte was just a pretty one to have in my house, in my living room. So this smells like Madagascar vanilla bean, homemade marshmallow, and warm cinnamon nutmeg. Like I said, everyone knows what vanilla bean smells like. It's a very universal scent. You can burn this in the spring, summer, fall, winter, and it always smells good in your house. And I just love it. I wanted to get like a staple candle because the rest are like very unique. Then I picked up Main Street Bakery. This was so cute. I absolutely love baking, so when I saw this, I needed it. It has like little baking tools on it and cupcakes, and it's so adorable. So this is fresh banana, vanilla wafers, and cinnamon sugar. This smells like cake batter, and I can definitely smell the vanilla wafers. This smells so yummy. I want to eat this. I love it. Packaging was a plus, and it smells so good. Again, and I love baking, so I was like, I really just like gravitated towards scents that had like something like personal to me, like the places that I've been or things that I love. I thought this was so cute. Next, I picked up another one that had super cute packaging. Of course, girls are such suckers for cute packaging, and I am that girl. But I picked up Paris Cafe, which I've had this candle before, but not in this packaging. It has like a little teapot on it and a little like coffee, and it's just so adorable. And this smells like rich roasted coffee, sugared brioche, and vanilla cream. It smells like a raspberry dark chocolate coffee, and that sounds amazing. I love coffee scents. And last but not least, for the candles, I picked up a pink lavender and espresso because, again, I love coffee scents. So I don't know if you can tell on camera, but this is a gorgeous light pink matte, and I thought it was stunning. So this smells like rich pink lavender, caramel espresso beans, smooth vanilla. This one actually doesn't smell as much like coffee as the other one. I smell like caramel and like cranberry almost. Not so much the espresso, but it still smells really good. Okay, next let's jump into the wallflowers. So first, I needed another nightlight because one of mine actually broke for my room and it's super dark in my room. So I picked up this stunning like iridescent pink and gold pineapple. I almost said palm tree. Pineapple. This is so adorable. How could you not love this? I love this. Okay, so I got this, and then I got 5 wallflowers because they were on sale. I also forgot to mention, I got a lot of these candles when they were $12.95, so they're on sale, and then I got free shipping. So never buy Bath & Body Works stuff unless there's a sale, because there's usually always a sale, and we love a sale. So the wallflowers that I got, again, I got 5. It was like 5 for $25 or something like that. I got limoncello. I got coconut pina colada. Book Loft. I absolutely love reading, so I'm excited to see what this smells like because I never saw this scent. Book Loft, cute. I love the smell of books. Almond croissant. Again, I was really into that like baking, bakery, vanilla-y scent this time. And then lastly, I got a stress relief, eucalyptus, and spearmint. I actually don't remember picking this one up, but it sounds like it would smell good. Then for some of the last things, I'm going to be traveling in a couple months for our annual birthday trip. We are going to Turks and Caicos, and I'm out of like a lot of like travel size products. So I picked up a travel size Champagne Toast body lotion. I'm sure we all know what Champagne Toast smells like. This is a staple. It smells amazing. And then I also picked up another body cream. This is Costa Rica Pink Pineapple Sunrise. So cute. Love the pink packaging. Okay, I meant to get 2 body washes and not 3 lotions and 1 body wash, but that's fine. Another one of my favorite scents is At the Beach, so I got a body cream in that, and then I got At the Beach in a body wash. So these will definitely be coming on my upcoming trip. So that's it for this little Bath & Body Works haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love you guys, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.
Try to reach you, but you close your mind. So much to say, the words are hard to find.